What if I told you that 99% of YouTube channels fail? Not because the platform is saturated. Not because the algorithm is unfair. But because most creators make the same predictable mistakes. Every single day, thousands of people upload their first video. They feel excited, motivated, ready to change their life. 3 months later, most of them quit. So the real question is not, can you grow on YouTube? The real question is, will you last long enough to grow? In this video, I'm going to break down the real reasons why 99% of YouTube channels fail, and exactly how you can avoid becoming one of them. And some of these truths might hurt. But if you understand them, you instantly move ahead of most creators. Let's start. The first reason most YouTube channels fail is simple. They focus on views instead of value. They upload a video and then refresh their analytics every 5 minutes. They panic when the video gets 12 views in the first hour. They start thinking the algorithm hates them. But here's the truth. YouTube does not reward creators who want views. YouTube rewards creators who create value. If your video doesn't solve a problem, teach something clearly, or entertain in a powerful way, people leave. And when people leave, the algorithm stops recommending. Instead of asking, how do I get more views? Start asking, how do I make this video so good that people can't click away? When you shift from chasing views to creating value, everything changes. The second reason most channels fail is they quit too early. The first 20, 30, even 50 videos are not about going viral. They are about learning. You are learning how to speak better, how to edit better, how to design better thumbnails, how to understand your audience. Most big creators uploaded for 1 or 2 years before they saw serious growth. But new creators expect results in 30 days. YouTube is not a lottery ticket. It's a skill game. If you quit in 3 months, you guarantee failure. If you stay consistent for 3 years, you almost guarantee growth. The difference isn't talent, it's endurance. The third reason is lack of niche clarity. Many new creators upload random content. One video about motivation, next video about gaming, then finance, then fitness. The algorithm gets confused, and confused algorithms don't recommend. When someone subscribes to your channel, they subscribe for one main reason. If you cannot explain your channel in one clear sentence, your audience cannot either. Clarity builds authority. Authority builds trust. Trust builds subscribers. Pick one clear niche. Master it. Expand later. The fourth reason most channels fail is bad packaging. Your video might be amazing. But if nobody clicks, it doesn't matter. YouTube is not just about content. It's also about presentation. Your thumbnail and title or your movie trailer. If they don't create curiosity, emotion, or a clear benefit, people scroll past. The algorithm watches one thing first: click-through rate. If people don't click, YouTube assumes it's not interesting. Before you upgrade your camera, upgrade your thumbnails. Before you blame the algorithm, improve your titles. The fifth reason is poor retention. Most viewers decide within the first 30 seconds if they will stay. If your intro is slow, if you say, "Hey guys, welcome back to my channel," for 20 seconds, you already lost them. Start with tension. Start with a bold statement. Start with a promise. Start with a problem. Every 20 to 30 seconds, change something. Change the visual. Change the angle. Add text. Add movement. Retention is king on YouTube. If people watch longer, YouTube pushes your video to more people. The sixth reason is ignoring analytics. Your analytics are not there to discourage you. They are there to guide you. If your click-through rate is low, fix your thumbnail. If people drop at 1 minute, go back and analyze what happened at that moment. YouTube literally shows you where people leave. That is free feedback. Most creators guess. Smart creators study. The seventh reason is comparison. You scroll and see someone with 100,000 subscribers. You think, "I'll never reach that." But you are comparing your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 20. Instead of comparing results, compare progress. Are you better than your last video? Is your editing cleaner? Is your storytelling stronger? Growth on YouTube is delayed. Effort today, results later. And here's the biggest truth of all. YouTube is not overcrowded. It's undercommitted. Most people quit. Most people blame the algorithm. Most people never improve. That's why 99% fail. But if you focus on value, stay consistent, master your packaging, study retention, and keep improving every single video, you automatically enter the top 1%. Not because you are lucky, but because you refused to quit. If you are serious about growing on YouTube, make a decision today. Don't be emotional. Be strategic. Don't chase views. Build skills. And remember this: the algorithm doesn't decide your future. Your consistency does. Be the 1%.